If your garbage disposal runs but the sink stays full of water, the motor may be working perfectly. The real problem is usually in the path the water takes after leaving the disposal. Turn the disposal off and disconnect its power before inspecting anything. Never put your hand into the grinding chamber. Start with the second basin if you have a double sink. Water rising there when the disposal runs usually means the blockage is beyond the point where both sides connect. Next, place a bucket beneath the sink and inspect the disposal's discharge pipe and P-trap. Food particles and grease commonly collect inside these sections. Remove the pipe carefully, clear the obstruction, and make sure its washers return to their original positions. If those components are clear, the clog may be inside the drain pipe entering the wall. Feed a hand-operated snake into that pipe and rotate it through the obstruction. Do not keep running the disposal in an attempt to force the water through. That can cause the sink to overflow or strain the motor. If the disposal only hums, trips its reset, or makes no sound, you may be dealing with a jam or electrical issue instead of a drain blockage. Water backing up into several fixtures suggests a deeper shared line problem that requires a different repair. If this helped you identify where the water was trapped, give the video a like.